Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful weekend. Today is the first trading day of the week. We already had a very good trades at the Asian session, and technically we were expecting a pullback, all the major against the dollar. We had a nice trade on Friday. If you haven't seen my Friday analysis review, video link is given in the video description. So this morning the market is slow, and as you know, we have bank holiday in the US. Not sure how the New York session is going to perform, but we managed some decent profit this morning and at the Asian session. Let me share with you how I analyze and help my traders to squeeze profit, and let's dig into the system. As always mentioned guys, if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review in the future, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's dig into the three major currency pair: EURUSD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD. If you look at the EURUSD chart, and if you look at the 4-hour chart, we had such a nice beautiful short trade here on Friday, and as I mentioned in my previous analysis. So technically, if you look at the price action, so price developed this high, so we were expecting here another pullback around this level, which price nicely developed. We have this breakout as explained my trader. If the price going to break above this level, that was the beautiful breakout at the Asian session. We had another very small long trade on pullback on at the London morning session. Let me share with you how I analyze the entries and exit. That was the pretty straightforward. As you can see here, our mindset and bias was developed to pull back long, and intraday price developed this pattern. That was a pretty straightforward. Momentum was, let me share with you the momentum. Okay, so if you look at here, the momentum was bear bullish nicely, and that was a pretty straightforward breakout long trade here. And here in the Asian session, you can see a nice beautiful strong candle long trade here on EURUSD. And the London morning session, pretty straightforward. After the breakout, we are looking this direction of pullback, which is as mentioned on the analysis. Look for pullback around this level or this level. As you can see here, price develop another pullback. As soon as the price hit to the previous high, explain my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. So EURUSD, pretty straightforward guys. Pound dollar, we had some sort of like a consolidation. Even if you look at the 4-hour chart, we had such a nice beautiful short trade here, and as explained to my trader, look for this around pullback around this level. As you can see here, as explained, if the price going to break above this level, then long trade here. But I also mentioned this morning, because we have a bank holiday in the US, and I explained to my trader, let me show you guys what I'm expecting it. If you look at here, and you can see here, price respected, broken and respected here, but you can see here very, we haven't seen any volatility, and price also rejected previously. You can see here, so we're looking here, if the price gonna break this one, taking a pullback, but if the price gonna break this level, then expecting a short trade here. So we have bank holiday, probably might going to see consolidation at this level, but we managed one small long trade on pound dollar this morning. That was a pretty straightforward. As you can see here, I did this Asian session, but I also updated that analysis at the London morning session. That was a pretty straightforward. But if you look at in the intraday, we have impulsive, and we can see here this was the bull flag pattern. As soon as the price hit to the previous target, that's the Bollinger Band, sorry, fib channel, and I explain my trader it's time to enjoy some profit. So at this level, so explain my trading, let's bank some profit. So let's see how the market is going to react at the New York session, but we're expecting big movement tomorrow. So dollar CAD, we had a short trade here since the market opened, and the reason behind it, that's what I explained my trader. Look here, price respected here, we have an inside candle pattern, price rejected, does not technically break, and expecting a pullback, but price refused. So we're expecting a short trade here and target around this level or at this level. So we are short trade here at the Asian session. As you can see here, that was a pretty straightforward. You can see here the market open, that was a pretty straightforward based on the 4-hour. As mentioned, we have this breakout, another pullback. We announce all these things, all pullbacks through live ID commentary. Beautiful short trade here. Even London morning, we have another beautiful breakout short trade. Some of the traders are still holding, most of them have banked beautiful profit. All right, so the best trade we had at Aussie dollar, Kiwi dollar, pretty straightforward guys. Let me share with you the 4-hour chart. As you can see here, and some of the traders still holding here. So we have this beautiful short trade on Friday. As you can see here, price refused, and we haven't seen any candle close below this level. That was the pretty straightforward. And if you look at here, price respected here. So after this breakout, we're expecting a pullback. As mentioned, all major measures, we're expecting a pullback. So we had a beautiful long trade here. As I mentioned to my trader, look for this breakout if the price gonna break. As you can see here, if you look at here, price broken. After the breakout, price retest in 4 hour, and that's what we have the same scenario on intraday. That was the pretty straightforward. If you look at here, that's what I mentioned. You can see here, beautiful breakout. After the breakout, pullback and momentum bullish, pullback, and still holding long trade on Aussie dollar and the Kiwi dollar too, guys. If you look at here, that was a pretty straightforward. And if you look at here, that's what I explained to my trader. Look for here. You can see here, price respected here. We had such a nice short trade on Friday, inside candle pattern price. So we are seeing pullback. So you can see here intraday, that was a beautiful breakout long trade here. Price developed a symmetric triangle pattern, as you can see here. And after that, based on the 4 hour, that was a beautiful breakout. After the breakout, price developed another pullback. Momentum was bullish. Price nicely hit to the final target, but still traders are holding a long trade on Aussie dollar and the Kiwi dollar, and expecting here target around this level. Let's see how that's gonna go. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy all this analysis. As always mentioned, you should be experience those analysis in real time, live, and banking profit in real time. That's the interesting part of it. Or if you are struggling in this forex trading, this is the platform where I train and coach my trader every single day with the live market through live intraday analysis, because that's what I believe, that you can develop your trading skill with the live market instead of going through historical chart, experiencing it historic, but that's not gonna give you that experience. And once you develop your good experience and produce good consistency result, I can also help you to get funded. So if you are interested how I coach and train my trader with the live market every single day, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. Availability calendar link is given in the video description. Myself or one of my team member will show you how to become a successful trader and get funded. So most welcome, join my fast growing trader community. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day, and until next time, all the best.